Well, hey there, American Farmsteadhers. This is Jenny with the Grimstead Family Farm.
And Donna with Hazel Bell Farm.
And we are coming to y'all from Northeast Florida as two American farmsteaders doing our best to grow our own food and share our homesteading experiences with you in hopes that you would grow a little bit of food of your own.
Yeah, we hope you guys are growing food this season. We just wanted to let you know that we are taking us a little break for the holidays.
Yes, because Christmas is like literally right around the corner.
Yeah, it's in less than a week.
Yeah, so we're going to take a short little break. We'll be gone for Christmas, and we'll be back right after the New Year, the first week.
Yep, we will see you guys back here on January 5th.
January 5th.
We also want to let you know about some other fun dates coming in the new year.
New exciting stuff for the new year.
Yeah. So if you're local, we have our next Farmsteadhers Market scheduled for March 30th.
Yep.
Come join us for some local food producers and a spring plant sale.
Yes.
Yeah, that'll be
all
fun.
the tomatoes.
All the warm weather things.
That means we get to go seed shopping for different varieties. Yes.
Yay.
Have fun. That's what we can do on our break. We can seed shop.
I live for it. Yeah. We're not taking a total break. Our blog post will still be going up. And we are working on our
big event. We are going to have a big event. We are looking at May tentatively. We're still working out dates with our venue. But it is the American Farmstead Convention.
Yep.
And it is going to be a day full of keynote speakers on gardening and all things homesteading. We'll have lots of demonstrations going on. I'll be doing chicken butcher demos throughout the day.
Yeah, it's going to be good.
Yeah, Donna's going to be milking some cows.
Yeah,
it's going to be fun.
We'll have so many other vendors and demonstrators, and it's going to be so good for you guys. All things homesteading. So whatever it is you're interested in, look for more details coming up on that.
Yes, that will be so exciting.
Yep.
I can't wait to see it unfold.
Me too.
So yeah, we'll be back January 5th with a brand new podcast episode for the new year.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for your support this year. Thank you for listening. We love you guys. Merry Christmas.
Yes. Merry Christmas for sure.
Happy New Year.
All right. We'll see y'all in the new year.